How to change a 2018 Dodge Journey 4-button key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, we're going to change the battery out on our Dodge Journey 4-button remote. If you have a key ring or lanyard attached right here, you will need to remove that. This remote housing does come apart. Also, you will need a flat tip screwdriver and the CR2032 battery. Go and flip it over. You notice you got your emergency key blade release right here. And do the spring loaded. Pull it towards you. Set the battery to the side. And when you look down, this is where the key blade came out. And you got this indentation here. Put your flat tip screwdriver right in there. Hold your remote firmly. Take your flat tip screwdriver. You're going to twist, not pry. The housing popped. Set it back down. And the reason why I suggest doing that is that way your circuit board doesn't pop out. If it does, you can set it back in. You have that one hole that lines this up. Take that same flat tip, the 180 across from the tang, take the corner right here, put it in the remote housing, and your battery will pop out just by lifting up under it. This is your CR2032 battery. This is a new remote, so I will put this battery back in. Reverse process, you set it in, push against, there's spring tension, make sure she's seated properly, and let's squeeze the two halves together. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.